What we have here is a compass. It's called a beam compass. It could be called trammel points. And this is for laying out large geometric drawings or for finding arcs and angles on a driveway. The soapstone holder and the rigid pointer right there, you put those on the tube and you can extend them any distance that you want, and this will allow you to find these angles and arcs. If you can draw it, you can cut it. This is soapstone. You can see it's rather blunt, and I like, for accuracy, I like to sharpen it. I'll just make a chisel shape out of it, just like that. You can see how it's getting sharper. You can go both sides if you want, but I think it's nice bug. I think it's just fine to do one side. It's probably easier. What's really nice about using soapstone instead of pencil or anything else is you can erase it like this. It erases nicely, so you can make mistakes, you can lay it out, you can do all kinds of stuff and not have any permanent marks on your project yet.